These little kittens are 4 weeks old today. There's the mama. 4 more weeks, then they'll be going to the shelter. So cute. Hey, little bit. Hi, Mommy. Just learning how to play and wrestle. Look. Afraid of the pillow. Get it. Trying to teach them how to use the litter box, but all they want to do is eat the cat litter. Just don't get it. Come on. Oh. Hi, Mommy. Look at them eating cat litter. It don't make no sense. Here, the food is right here, little bit. Here. If you want to eat something, eat the food. Not the cat litter. Who are you?